Your outer world is a reflection of your inner world. Change your thoughts and you change your reality. Give me just 10 minutes, and I promise you this, you will walk away knowing exactly how to manifest anything your soul desires. Not someday, not in a far off mystical way. I'm talking about a grounded, repeatable, step by step process that has changed my life forever and can absolutely change yours too. Money is not just earned, it it's attracted. And what determines what you attract? Your subconscious programming. Neuroscience proves it. Over 95% of our daily thoughts, emotions, and behaviors come from our subconscious mind. If you have been taught lack, fear, or shame around money, that's exactly what your mind will reproduce. What you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you create. You must rewire your brain to become a match for wealth. This is not just about wishful thinking or surface level affirmations. This is about real transformation that start in your belief system, ripple in your identity, and become undeniable in your reality. So get cozy, turn off distractions, drop into your heart, because we are about to learn is the manifestation method I use every single time I went to Quantum Leap. A few years ago, I had this crazy burning desire. I want to make 100k dollars every single month. At that time, I was only making around $500 a month. My bank account didn't reflect it. My life didn't reflect it. Nothing in my physical reality shows me that 100k dollar was possible. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. I strongly believe in. But somewhere deep in my bones, I knew it could be done. I didn't know how. I just knew it was mine to have. And guess what? Within 30 days of doing the exact manifestation process I am about to teach you, I jumped from $500 to 100k dollars every single month. That one shift didn't just bring in money, it completely transformed my entire world. I built a multi six figure business. I went on my dream vacations. I bought my car. I bought my dream house. This is not just about one goal. It's about learning how to work with the laws of universe to bring anything into your life. And yes, every time I return to this process, it still works. So let's dive in. Because if it worked for me, it can absolutely work for you. Step one, get crystal clear on your specific desire. Here is what most people get wrong about manifestation. They say things like, I want more money, I want a better job, I want love. But that kind of vagueness confuses the universe. The universe responds to your vibration, not your situation. Think of manifestations like ordering a flight. You can't walk up to the airport counter and say, Hi, take me somewhere a warm place. The flight attendant need to know when, where, how many bags, what seat. The universe operates the same way. You need to be specific and intentional. Back then, I didn't just say I want more money. I said I want to make 100k dollar in every single month. Be bold, be unapologetic, be specific. And here is the key. Pick a goal that stretches you but doesn't break your belief system. I want to make 100k dollars or even $1 million a month someday, but I couldn't yet believe that. So I choose 100k dollars, something that felt possible, even if I didn't know how. Step 2, embody the feeling as it is already done. According to Dr. Joe Dispenza and countless neuroscience studies, the brain is not fixed, it's neuroplastic. This means you can literally rewire it through repeated thoughts, emotions, and behavior. Every thought you think creates a neural connection. Every belief you hold become a pathway the brain follows easily. If you have been conditioned to believe money is hard to earn, your brain automatically follows that path. But the moment you become conscious of those patterns, you can break them. Now that you know what you want, here comes the magic. You have to step into the energy of already having it. Ask yourself, if this was already done, how would I feel? How would I move? How would I think? Back when I was making $500 a month, I was still posting on social media. I was still taking discovery calls. I was still learning, but when I posted, I felt like it this is not working. No one is watching. What's the point? Once I shift my identity to someone who already make 100k dollars per month, my energy behind those same actions completely changed. I posted with confidence. I show up with certainty. I took sales call expecting them to go well. It wasn't about doing more. It was about believing more. Because manifestation is not about the action itself, it's about the vibration and belief behind the action. You can say affirmations all day, but if you don't truly believe you are a match for what you want, it won't stick. You must become a version of you who already has it in your thoughts, in your body, in your feelings. You are not trying to get money, you are becoming the version of you who naturally attract it. Ask, how does my wealthy self walk, speak, decide? What would she no longer tolerate? What habits does she have that I must start today? Act as if you are already wealthy. Because in the quantum field, it already exists. You must assume the feelings of the wish fulfilled. That's that's the crux of manifestation. Step 3. Reject and detach from what doesn't match your desire. This is the part no one talk about enough. Even when I was doing the inner work, my outer world still showed me lack. My content wasn't going viral. Clients were not saying yes. My bank account didn't reflect my new identity. And let me tell you, your old identity will test you. That's when your job is to reject anything that contradicts what you are manifesting. When your thoughts say, this is not working, you say, I am already successful. When your phone shows zero notification, you remind yourself, I am fully booked, my people are coming. Every time you see evidence of your old story, catch it, reject it, rewire it. That month, I went from $500 to direct 100k dollars. I had to redirect myself daily. I was constantly choosing my future reality over my current one. And yes, that can be hard because your ego wants to cling to prove. But your soul, your higher self, she already knows the outcome. And here's the truth, the universe responds to your vibration, not your timeline. If you stay in alignment with the feeling of your desire long enough, reality has no choice but to catch up. The final truth, your belief is the portal. You don't need to do 100 things. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to get radically clear on what you want. Embody the feelings of already having it. Reject everything that doesn't match it over and over and over again. This is not a one time ritual. This is an identity shift. And when you commit to that shift, the universe bends, time collapses, opportunities arise out of nowhere. Because that's how manifestation works. It's not luck, it's alignment. So, what are you ready to call in? Comment below, speak into existence, declare it. Because the moment you do, the universe start rearranging everything in your favor. You are not here to struggle, you are here to create. And the power of manifest anything, it's already within you. Remember, you are not stuck. Your mind just need new instructions. You are powerful, you are magnetic, you are meant for overflow. Start today. One belief, one affirmation, one bold action, and watch how your reality shifts. Don't chase money, attract it by becoming a vibrational match. You have everything it takes. The world is waiting. Go rewrite your identity. You are not waiting for your dream life. Your dream life is waiting for you to remember who you are. Stay powerful, stay aligned, and above all, stay unforgettable. Thank you for being here.